Morning guys, we are up and we are getting ready to go. We are getting ready to head to Birmingham, Alabama to get our new team rig. It's gonna be an awesome build, fun project for you guys to follow along. Super excited, been waiting for this day for a long time. So I can't wait to get up there. We're actually gonna pick it up tomorrow morning, but my brother's currently stationed at Fort Benning. He just moved over from Fort Bragg. So what an opportunity to stop by, see him. We're gonna be driving right through Columbus, Georgia, on our way to Birmingham from Florida. So today we're gonna go up there, spend some time with my brother, and then my brother's gonna make the trip with us to go get this rig and then come back. And we'll be back in Florida probably in 2 days, about Sunday, so Mother's Day. So that's it. We got the rig all loaded up. Got the trailer all good to go, secured. Thanks to Jester Graphics for doing all our decals on it, making us look official. We've got our straps here. And our new tow rig. If you guys didn't see, we got a new tow rig. Still got the paper tag on it. But that's it, guys. We're looking at about 5 hours drive today. Not a big trip today. Like I said, we'll stay the night there and then head to Birmingham, which is about a 3-hour drive first thing early in the morning. I got to be there around like 9-10 a.m. So stay tuned. Every road trip always has its fun, right? Flat tire. Normally, I'd fix it. Happened to be at a stop where there was already a tire place here. Might as well just do them. And so that's what we're doing today. Brought it over here. Shout out to my mom who's making the trip with us. Anytime you guys stop and take a break, always evaluate and take a look at everything. And that's exactly what she did. We were stopped. She's like, hey, tire looks low over here. I leaned on the tire, no air in it whatsoever. So thanks, Mom. Love you. Gonna go ahead and patch it. Should be about 10-20 minutes. We'll be back on the road. My man Roy here is taking care of us. Big shout out to H&D Auto Services of Ocala. They got our flat fixed and got us back on the road in no time. right, good morning. We are leaving Benning. We picked up my brother and crashed last night, hung out, relaxed, and now we're on the road. We are heading to Birmingham, Alabama, and the shop actually, we're buying this actually at a shop, RPM Extreme. So they're, I believe, Gardendale, just north of Birmingham. So that's the plan for today. Looks like we got about 2 more hours ahead of us, and we'll be there to pick up the rig. Alright, so we are at RPM Extreme in Birmingham, Alabama, right outside. And trailer is empty. Here's the shop here. I've got Jeeps driving by in the background. Let's go inside, see what we got. For these for a while, and they're really hard to find, especially in decent shape. This one's in pretty good shape considering it's a 1961. Been looking around for a while and reached out to a gentleman online who had it on Marketplace, John over at RPM Extreme, and really wanted to do it. Wasn't sure how soon, and some time went by. Me and Carolyn were talking about the shop if we wanted to go ahead and do this and build it, and ideas just flowing on what to do with it when we got it, and decided now was the time. This was too good of a deal to pass up. It was priced really fair, so thanks, John, for that. And by the time we said that, I went to go look and the ad was gone, and I was like, no. So found my old conversation with John. I said, hey man, you still got that available? I said, I'm interested, man. I want to get it. And he's like, well, I actually pulled it off. It's not sold, but because of the whole COVID thing, it's a little slow right now, and I figured what a good time to do the restoration on it. And I said, well, what'd you do? And he said, hey, there was some rust on it, and body panels and this and that on the doors, and went ahead and started working on that and fixed it. And I was like, oh, perfect. We don't do body work. So he started that. So originally it was all white when I was looking at it. It's got a little camo primer paint job going on right now. No big deal. We're gonna bedline all that. But just got here to Birmingham. It runs, it drives, he's got all the parts, some really hard, rare parts to find. I mean, it's got almost everything in it. I really don't think there's anything off the top of my head that has to happen. But here it is, guys. And hope you like it as much as I do.
it down.
We are on the road back to Columbus, Georgia. Dropped my brother off who made the trip with us. And what's better than some Alabama barbecue? So right now with COVID-19, it is to go only. So what do you know? Ribs, chicken, pork. We went ahead and just got a little bit of everything. And about to eat some lunch and get back into Columbus.